Big Mama used to say,
"We gonna make some tea cakes for the church, baby."
ah, the memories of those bake sales after church where Grandma would bake her famous tea cakes and they would be sold out within minutes. Well, here is that recipe. I hope you enjoy it. You want to sift 3 cups of all-purpose flour in a small bowl by itself and then add all of the dry ingredients at the last sifting. You're going to whisk your eggs and mix them in just a little at a time into the butter mixture, and then add your sugar and mix that in. After that, you want to mix in your vanilla flavoring, your lemon flavoring, and your buttermilk. Mix in the flour a little bit at a time until it's all well incorporated, but you don't want to over mix your dough. This dough is on the drier side and it should not stick to your hands. If it does, then add a little bit more flour until it doesn't stick to your hands. Check the description for the full recipe. Make sure to like, subscribe, and click that notification bell so you'll always have my most up-to-date video. I usually sprinkle mine with a little bit of cinnamon. This is a hard to find recipe, but Big Mama had your back on this one. Thank you, Big Mama.
You're welcome, baby.